Welcome to Proofpoint's how-to video tutorial series, which is aimed at sharing best practices for using the features and functions of Proofpoint Enterprise Archive. This video demonstrates the features available to perform basic searches in Personal Archive. When performing a search, several search criteria are available to focus your search results. In the Contents section, you can enter keywords to search for in the message subject, body, and attachments. You can click the Expand icon to get a larger workspace for keyword entries, or use the Keyword Builder to assist in building more advanced queries. You can also search for files with attachments or specific attachment types. In the Senders and Recipients section, you can filter your search based on specific people. Use the text fields to enter the names of the people you want to search for. The fields support Type Ahead, presenting matching names as you type. The Date Range section allows you to search for items based on their sent date. When selecting a relative date range, such as the last 7 days, you will be presented with the actual dates to avoid any misinterpretations. Once you've filled in your search parameters, click Search to find matching messages in the archive. The output of the search shows a list of the first 15 messages found, along with the count of items that meet the search criteria. When your search returns more than 15 messages, use the arrows at the bottom of the list to navigate through the pages of results. To sort the results list found by your search, click on the down arrow at the top left of the list and select from the options Most Recent First, Most Recent Last, Rank, or Size. Rank displays those items that closely match your search criteria first, and Size displays the items according to their size with either the smallest or largest items first. Select items from the list to preview their contents. If you have been granted permission to do so, you can choose to retrieve messages to your inbox and forward messages to other users. You can retrieve or forward multiple messages at a time by first selecting multiple messages in the list. Thank you for watching our brief how-to video tutorial on using search in Proofpoint Enterprise Archive, Personal Archive. For additional information on our products, visit our knowledge base at https://proofpointcommunities.force.com. For questions, comments, or feedback on this tutorial, please email us at training@proofpoint.com.